To update a Wells Fargo account opening, follow these steps. First, gather the required documents and information, including your account number, social security number, and identification. Next, log into your Wells Fargo online banking account or mobile app, and navigate to the account settings or profile section. Click on the Update Account Information option and select the type of update you want to make, such as updating your address, phone number, or email address. If you are updating your account information in person, visit a Wells Fargo branch near you and speak with a banker. They will guide you through the process and provide the necessary forms to complete. You can also update your account information by phone by calling the Wells Fargo customer service number. A representative will assist you with the update process and verify your identity for security purposes. When updating your account information, ensure that all fields are completed accurately and thoroughly. Double-check your entries for spelling and formatting errors. After submitting your updates, review your account information to ensure that all changes have been applied correctly. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. It is essential to keep your account information up to date to ensure that you receive important notifications and statements from Wells Fargo. Regularly reviewing and updating your account information also helps to prevent identity theft and unauthorized account activity. By following these steps, you can easily update your Wells Fargo account opening and maintain accurate and secure account information. Remember to always prioritize your account security and monitor your account activity regularly.